Hello, this is how to set up the TadiBrothers luxury split screen control box. This side is where all the cameras will get connected to, and this is where the monitor and the trigger harness gets connected to. All right, this is how we're going to plug it in. First, we'll do the camera side. We're going to use an RV camera for this demonstration. You're going to take one of the 4-pin adapter cables that you get with it. Plug that into camera 1. You see right there. And we're going to lock it in. Okay, and then you have the yellow, the white, and the black. This thing can power the camera if you buy one of our cables with the power upgrade. This is for audio, you're not going to use this one, and this is for the video. We can take our 15-foot cable that came here, but you could do it up to 100 feet depending on which cable you get, right? And then you plug it in to the corresponding socket on the camera. Now you have the camera feeding an image to the monitor. One quick note, if you're going to use our wireless transmitters, because you want to go wireless, then what you do is you take the transmitter, the one that says T, you plug it into the camera side here, and then you take the corresponding letter, the A that has the R on it, and connect it to here. This way it's a wireless connection. And this thing will even power the receiver, so it's a really easy way to set up the whole entire thing. But here we're going to go wired, so let me put the cable back in. Obviously, if you're connecting more cameras, you just repeat the process for every single camera, for every single one of these inputs. Next stage is connecting it to the monitor itself. So that takes another RCA cable. We're going to plug it here to the video out. And then we're going to connect it to one of the channels on the monitor. We're using our standard 7-inch monitor with 2 channels right here. Connect the harness. We're going to look for video 1. And we're plugging it in. So now you have basically the camera feeding the box, and then the split box is feeding the monitor. This monitor also has, if you got the luxury edition, it's got this remote control right here. It's also known as a keyboard. You plug that into right here, like that. Okay, and now you can put this, you can control the box by pushing any one of these buttons. Most people Velcro it, or you could screw it in. It's a really nice feature. Lets you put the box anywhere you want, right? Lastly, a lot of people want to use the trigger wires. So here's the harness for the trigger wires. That one's really easy here. Plug that in here. Then each camera, you connect the corresponding trigger cable to the fuse in the front of your vehicle. And also you power this thing from here as well. Right, so you get the black and the red. This thing connects to 12 volts. That will power the box, which will also feed all those other things if you decide you want to go that way. And then the rest of these cables are for the triggers. So if you, for example, use your left blinker, it'll show you the left camera, right blinker, right camera, and so forth and so on. And that is all you need to know about this. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. Thank you and have a great day.